We're in a place called Karon Beach, which is about literally 5 minutes drive, stone's throw from the hotel. But it's like the local town. We just had a nice coffee and a bit of lunch in this place behind us. Might just pop to the toilet, and then we're going to go for a bit of a wander. Hopefully, we're going to try again to fly the drone. But it's just been nice to see another town, and so it's a beautiful little area. So it's really nice. So fingers crossed that we can fly the drone again. That'll be 2 days in a row, which will be fab. So, did you enjoy your lunch?
Yeah, it's nice.
What did you have?
Another pizza.
Another pizza. You make it sound like we've had loads of pizzas. We've had that many, have we?
No, but we had one last night, the exact same one.
Oh, right, yeah, okay. All right.
It was nice.
It was nice, to be fair.
Plus Beauty and Rocket.
So, we're on sunburn alert, so obviously it's baking hot. It's, I don't know, 32, 33. Ryan put some lotion on this morning, but we didn't put any more on before we came out.
We did, but just not, not put any here, and
So,
put a little bit on my shoulders, a little bit on my legs and arms, that's it.
Yeah, so given we're going to try and fly the drone again and probably end up on the beach, probably not the best, bit of an oversight on our part, but hey-oh. But it's a lovely little area.
Hey everyone, you're with the Globe guys, and here's a short video to show some of our fantastic drone footage that we've captured right here in beautiful Karon Beach, Phuket.